What it do, gang? It's your boy two-time Moto TV, and we back with another epic video today. Guys, we're gonna be talking about this hood cowl here, and I found it for y'all. I've been getting a lot of comments lately, a lot of suggestions to find the hood again. The hood was discontinued a while back. I bought this hood over a decade ago. The hood was discontinued, but I found a vendor, I found a seller that actually sells this exact hood. Same dimensions, same model number, serial number, everything. So guys, if y'all want this hood, man, y'all stay tuned and I'll tell y'all where to find it. But first, we're gonna do a wraparound of what the hood look like. For those of y'all who are new to the channel, this is a 4-inch hood cowl. Has a little lip at the end there. I believe that's what everybody likes, that little lip at the corner. It comes all the way to the end of the hood here. So I do have the hood latch popped already to show you guys that mine is functional. Has two port holes. I plan on getting this whole thing cut out up underneath the hood so I can extract some of this heat from the motor, and I can have just continuous horsepower, power band, whether it's hot, cold, or whatever. So yeah, guys, we're gonna also take a little tour inside the car to show y'all what the hood look like from my view. Let me grab my keys. Excuse the windshield, it's a little dirty, but you guys get the gist. So when I'm sitting here, this is what I see. This is what the passenger sees. Pretty nice, y'all, pretty nice. Very functional hood cowl. Everybody loves it. I can pull up at a place. They say that the hood cowl actually brings this Crown Vic out. It doesn't even look like a Vic to some people that really don't know cars like that. But I mean, anybody that's a Panther Platform fan can tell that this here is a Crown Vic. But yeah, guys, so I found the hood, man, doing a lot of research. A lot of guys been asking the question about where did I find the hood? Where can they find the hood? And the question is, or no, not the question, the answer to your question is in the link in the description below. So if you guys check out my description, it'll be the first link at the top. Click on that link and you can purchase yourself this same hood cowl. Now you guys might want to go ahead and jump on that, because I don't know if they're gonna discontinue it. I don't know if this link gonna go down. I don't know if they're gonna stop selling it or what. So it was hard for me to find this one. I had to do a lot of homework. I actually found a model number up underneath the hood, but it was back here somewhere. So I traced that model number, and then I traced the serial number and actually found a vendor on Amazon that sells the same exact hood for about $230. So yeah, you guys might want to go ahead and pick one up today. Check out my link in the description below. You guys can find yourself this exact same hood cowl. Go ahead and pick yours up today. Only thing you got to do is put the hood cowl on your hood. Make sure that it's centered from right to left and from front to back, but you really don't have to worry about front to back. You just gonna want to have this end here. You want to have the end of the hood cowl at the end of your hood, so you don't have to really worry about the front and back with that, and everything else to line up perfectly. So you're gonna want to put a little Bondo. Please don't cake it up. The last time that I had this hood Bondo, guy scraped off at least about 15 pounds of Bondo. It was so mounded up, coming up like that and then sloping down, that it was disgusting. And my hood was also too daggone heavy to where I had to hold it up with my hand, or I had to set up a pair of vice grips on my lever here on the side just to keep the hood up. So You guys gonna want to make sure that y'all take y'all time when y'all are bondoing the hood. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Make sure that you don't have it all caked up, and everything will turn out just perfect. You can also cut out the little slots, the same thing that I got cut out if you don't want to brace it, because that's the only reason why I don't have the full thing cut out thus far, is because I would have to run a brace from the front to the rear on both sides, and then maybe a crossbar back there just to, you know, give the hood support, because I don't want my hood caving in the center here or flexing due to me, you know, driving or whatnot. So you guys take those precautions and those steps, you guys can have a hood that looks exactly like this. And when I tell you that this is the masterpiece of the car, it's worth every bit of the money, guys, to make your Crown Vic or your Mercury Marquis or your Mercury Marauder look just menacing. So you guys let me know what y'all think in the comments below, but I already know what y'all think, so that's the reason why I had to, you know, do my homework extra hard every day, couple minutes a day, you know, just to try to find you guys this hood. So link is in the description below. It's the cheapest vendor, well, it's the only vendor that I found. So yeah, guys, go ahead and try to make y'all purchases on this hood before they discontinue it, or before they make another model of it that is not exactly like this, and then they just discontinue or scrap this hood here. So yeah, about 230 bucks. Go ahead and snatch you one up. Like I said, this is a very highly recommended video for you guys, and I'm glad that I was able to find this exact hood for you all. I know I've been getting the questions all the time. You guys can even check it out yourself. Questions just been lining up. Hey man, where you get the hood from? Brother, they discontinued this hood so long ago that I've been actually trying to do my homework for other people that's just local, and I could not find it. We all even sat down on a computer to try to find this exact hood with the same dimensions and could not find it. But I found it. Serial numbers match up, the dimensions match up, height matches up, everything. Once again, this is a 4-inch hood cowl, and fits the Crown Vic Panther platform or whatever, just perfect, y'all. So there y'all go. Hopefully y'all don't have to ask that question again. I'll just tell y'all just to check the link in the description below, and that'll be where you can find yourself this same exact hood cowl. So make y'all purchases, man. Go ahead and buy y'all one. Slap that thing on the Panther. I'd love to see somebody make a video of them getting it done and what they done with it, as far as cutting everything out up underneath the hood or whatnot. So yeah, guys. But that'll conclude the video. I got a lot of content coming soon. I got some engine mods also coming soon that I did order. So you guys make sure that y'all stay tuned to check that out. I'm trying to get this thing up to about 300 and some plus horsepower with around 300 and some torque. You know, just starting off without having to do the supercharger just yet. But I'm gonna squeeze all the power out of this 4.6 that I can before I end up just dropping a whole nother motor in this bad boy. Or what I might do, I just might buy a whole nother Crown Victoria and just make that one a whole out street car. Drop a Coyote motor in it, or you know, just something crazy, man, with a supercharger on it. But this thing is definitely gonna have the power with the looks as well, so y'all stay tuned with that. But I do have a lot more educational videos coming. I still got to do my brakes. That'll probably be the next video, of how to paint your brake calipers. And then I do still want to wrap these tips in the vinyl, in the white vinyl, because I may hold on to the rims, I may not. You guys stay tuned with that. I may go 30s or I may not. I may just keep it just like this. Just do a little alternating with a few pieces here and there. Maybe a whole full wrap. I definitely want to try that myself. So y'all stay tuned, man. But yeah, that'll conclude the video. Give y'all one more shot of the hood for the new subs. And all in all, man, I'm glad I was able to find this for y'all. I want to see what y'all do with it. Two-time Moto TV out. Y'all stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe. Smash that like button. Drop them comments on what y'all want to see me do next. Other than that, man, y'all have a great day. Y'all stay safe. Peace.